Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're fixing the Avo Pro EX80 scooter, and this happened to come up with the E2 error. So let's start. First of all, we have to take out this LCD, take it out, then have access to the panels under the LCD, losing it, then take this out too, because we have to replace the throttle. So let's start. So is off. So let's try and take this out. So there are three screws here. You have to take out this screw, this and this. So we have to leave this out now. So let's loosen this. So one of this is the throttle connection. So let's get this undo out. So there's a bit of both here, so I want to take this one out. So what losing this looks like, it's a torque. Is it torque or what's it called? It looks like this. So I'm trying to, you already know if it can show properly. I already know which one is the cable. So this is it. So the attach this. And try to carefully take this out. Try to carefully take this out. So I managed to damage this, but thankfully I have a replacement because I'm replacing this. So let's replace it now. As you can see, it's already dark. So now connect this back. So let's put it on. So the error is gone. Everything's sorted. The error is gone. Let me focus on this. Yeah, error is gone. So good. So let's tighten this back. So before we tighten this, let's install this and see, so that we'll know where this will be, the length we want this one to be. So for this, fine. So we can move it a bit here. Let's tighten it. So it's tight. We're good to go. So let's fix this back. Where's the cover? It's the cover. It's covered. So we are done. Thanks for watching.